Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp in PC or laptop. So go to Chrome browser or any browser first. Right here, download WhatsApp for PC. Then go to the first link, WhatsApp, this one. Then scroll down and you can find three options, which is Android, iOS and Windows. Go to Windows because you are downloading PC WhatsApp. Get it from Microsoft. Open Microsoft Store. Hold a second, this is loading. Okay, you can see the WhatsApp software coming. Now you just enable it here. Download or post, whatever. It is downloading. Download complete. Now installing completed. I'm opening from here, so get started. Now all you have to do is connect it to your phone WhatsApp. Okay, so if you don't know how to connect, I have already made this video. Please search on this. So guys, this is how you can download WhatsApp in PC. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.